This is our 2017 17-plate Mini Cooper SD. So it's the 2-litre diesel engine, and this is one of the last registered cars with the £20 road tax. It's finished in the British Racing Green, and it's got the Chilli pack and the John Cooper Works Sports pack. So it comes with the LED daytime running lights, JCW front spoiler. It's got the 17-inch track spoke JCW gloss black alloy wheels. Inside with the JCW pack you get the piano black interior trim, electric windows and wing mirrors are standard. With the Chilli pack you get the auto lights, front fog lights, auto wipers and the 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel with telephone, audio control, cruise control and speed limiter. It's covered just over 36,000 miles. Comes with DAB radio, Bluetooth telephone connectivity. Chilli pack models have the dual zone climate control. It's got the USB and auxiliary input for music. And the Chilli pack models have the driving modes, the sport and green function. It's got the upgrade punch leather sports seats. And as you can see from these images, the car's exceptionally clean. There's no rips or tears to the upholstery. There's no signs of any smoking in the vehicle. It's got the John Cooper Works side sills. The alloy wheels, as you can see, are all in great condition. There's no scuffs or scrapes. Same applies to the rear bumper. Chilli pack models have the storage compartment pack. It's got the original parcel shelf. Got the gloss black grab handle, John Cooper Works roof spoiler. Tyres on the car all good. They're a couple of them around 4mm. The front ones are new. Piano black trim extends to the passenger side. The JCW pack also gives it the anthracite roof lining. Got the black roof and mirror caps, clear indicator lenses. The car's got a full Mini service history. It was supplied and maintained by our local Mini dealer. The full service history comes with an MOT through until January 22 with no advisories. If you click on the link at the end of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can visit our website where you'll find additional information along with finance calculators. You can see here the Mini service visits. So the MOT is now due January 22. The next brake fluid service is due August 22. Sorry, July 22. Engine oil service is due July 22 or 16,000 miles. And the next vehicle check service is due July 24 or 34,000 miles.